Hey, what's up, Dent coin holders? So this is a live price prediction of Dent coin and what we'll need to do, my friends, to get a very good profit in those days especially. So everything I am going to discuss you, but kindly if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So in those days, my friends, a lot of coins will get a very good profit, but sometimes, my friends, the holders are doing very huge mistake, my friends. They are starting selling and very bad time. So I will notify you to please don't starting selling and please hold it. I hope in upcoming time, my friends, this coin will move upward. But please, if you want, my friends, to get this profit, you will need, my friends, to subscribe this channel and absolutely press the bell icon for videos notification. My brother, the coin will moving upward when a holder says, my friends, to we will need to do this now. Other, my friend, we will cannot get a profit. So please remember, my brother. And those days, my friends, Dent coin is completely on the trending, but definitely when a short time investor starting selling, so the coin will falls down for a short time. So thanks for watching, holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Also press the bell icon for videos notification. Allah Hafiz, take care.